Welcome to this virtual tour of my favorite city in the entire world, San Francisco. Known for its picturesque beauty, hilly terrain, and iconic landmarks, San Francisco is a city that attracts millions of visitors every year. I'll be taking a 3-hour private cab tour that I booked from bayarea.com, and I will highlight the top 5 attractions that you must visit in this beautiful city with a strange and unique weather. Why does San Francisco have a unique climate? We'll find out when we visit the Twin Peaks. There is a famous saying by Mark Twain, "The best winter I had was the summer of '69. After the tour, while getting some drone shots, I misjudged how far the tree was and I got my drone stuck in the trees. I tried to climb the tree and the branch broke off. It was hilarious. Find out more about that later in the video. Join me as we embark on this journey to discover the best of San Francisco. So Veena and I will show you the 5 activities we can do in our San Francisco tour to get to know the city in a cultural and touristy way. Let's begin the journey. So it's just gonna be into it. Top attraction number 1. Once in San Francisco, there existed a street unlike any other, Lombard Street. Adorned by charming Victorian houses and colorful gardens, Lombard Street flaunted its charisma. So this is the famous Lombard Street, the crooked street here in San Francisco. And behind me you can see all these cars coming down on this crooked street because it's very, very high elevation. So this is what they had to do to make a street that everybody could safely come down from. Earlier, before the pandemic, they used to have only like 10 cars that are allowed. You can see these cars are like slowly coming down, and then if you're a tourist, you gotta go take the stairs on the side of the road, right?
Yeah.
So, my friends, if you ever find yourself in the city by the bay, do not miss the chance to experience the magic of Lombard Street. Nestled amidst the tranquil oasis, attraction number 2, the Palace of Fine Arts in San Francisco, stands as a breathtaking testament to the marriage of grandeur and ethereal beauty. This is about 100 years old, built in 1915, and this is where all of the beautiful artwork was displayed many, many years ago. It's really, really beautiful and one of the iconic places, very old, right here in San Francisco. The Palace of Fine Arts is a sanctuary for art lovers and a heaven where creativity dances in the air and imagination know no bounds. So let us venture into this magical realm and unravel the captivating stories hidden within the walls. Going along to the top attraction number 3, we have a magnificent masterpiece that spans the entrance to the city by the bay, the iconic Golden Gate Bridge of San Francisco. Now we're here at the most popular place in San Francisco, which is the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. And it's wonderful. I got some great shots from the drone. It stretches the majestic arms across the roaring currents of the Pacific, painting a breathtaking tableau against the sky, a feat of engineering brilliance. The colossal structure stands as a testament to the human ingenuity, defying both gravity and the test of time. As you traverse its length, be prepared to have your breath stolen by the sweeping panoramic views of the cityscape and the shimmering waters below. I'm here at the Golden Gate Park. So it's basically from the 1st Avenue all the way to 45th Avenue, and then you get to the ocean. And right behind me, you see this windmill. There were 2 windmills that were built in order to support this entire park right next to the city of Richmond, which is a really beautiful part of San Francisco, about 7 miles wide and 7 miles long. And this whole area has this Golden Gate Park right adjacent to the entire neighborhood, and on the other side of the park there's different neighborhoods. But this is the windmill that was actually used to provide water to all of this green area right here in the park and maintain this beautiful park right in the middle of San Francisco City. Also, another thing that I learned from our guide was that in San Francisco City, you have a park 10 minutes from you anywhere in the city. The overall population of about 800,000 people is really appreciative of this fact in beautiful weather, having a park wherever you go. Now we're gonna go to our next spot, which is
Twin Peaks.
Twin Peaks is actually the highest point in all of San Francisco. It's around 900 something feet above the sea level. It's really amazing, and
you can see the whole of the city from there up top.
Yes, and there are no clouds there, so we can actually make it.
The fog, yeah, Carl is not in town.
Carl is not in town.
He left.
He left. The majestic hills shrouded in mystery and cloak in allure, offering an experience that will elevate your senses and leave you breathless. So I'm here now at Twin Peaks, and this is the highest point in San Francisco. Behind me, you can see the beautiful downtown, and then these are like two. Right in between the peaks is the Market Street, the famous Market Street in San Francisco. So this is like a viewing spot, just like how in Jerusalem I went and saw the Dome of the Rock. Here I'm on the Mount of Olives, where you get a really beautiful view of the entire city here. You can see here are the cemeteries of the Jewish people after all of the massacres that happened. You can see the San Francisco downtown right here, and then also the marina, the bay. Really beautiful views from here. Here's where I solved the climate mystery of the city built on 7 hills. These hills and valleys, combined with fog, wind, and surrounding water, are the reason for San Francisco's microclimate. Imagine this. Different parts of the city can vary greatly in the temperature, up to 15 degrees from one district to the next. Finally, we have our top attraction, number 5. Imagine stepping into a world where time slows down and the enchanting allure of the Orient surrounds you. Welcome to the San Francisco's Chinatown. A place that pulsates with the vibrant colors, rich traditional and captivating fusion of East and West. As you venture into the cultural treasure trove, you'll be greeted with the ornate red and gold lanterns swaying gently in the breeze, guiding you through the narrow streets, bustling with life. The air becomes infused with the aromas of exotic spices, beckoning you to explore further into the heart of this enchanting enclave. Let the spirit of Chinatown embrace you as a vibrant tapestry of traditions leave an incredible mark upon your soul. That was all about the very famous San Francisco. I hope this video has inspired you enough to soon book your tickets to this amazing city. And if you come here, a private cab that I paid $250 for might be a good option for you to consider. Similarly, I had a 5-hour private tour in New York City with my parents. Check out that video on my channel for top attractions in New York City. Hit the like button if you like the content, and subscribe to my channel for more such travel content, corny jokes, and self-help tips. Oh, and about the drone getting stuck, I was able to ask for help from some very helpful locals, and it is safe and sound and ready for another flight for my next trip, coming soon in Rome this summer. Until next time, goodbye.